Welcome to Wednesday Wisdom with the Woodworking Shows. My name is Laney Shaughnessy with Spindle TV and Digital Wood Carver, and this is episode 8. My bit of wisdom for you today is to say technology and innovation are not bad words. These new methods, products, or ideas are becoming more and more a part of woodworking and are increasingly being added to shops each day. From using smartphones with cool woodworking apps to using computers or CAD programs like SketchUp to help visualize your designs or create cut sheets and plans, these things are becoming more and more useful to us in the shop. If you're thinking of using tools like CNC machines or CAD CAM software such as Vectric to create unique masterpieces and increase productivity and repeatability, whether woodworking is your hobby or you're looking to start a business or add these innovative tools to your existing business to create an increase in production, there's nothing wrong with adding these tech tools to your arsenal. And in the end, you may be even glad you did. If you'd like to learn more about starting a business with a CNC, you can reach me on Facebook at the Digital Wood Carver page. And in the upcoming weeks, we'll be going live to discuss this very topic. Well, this is my Wednesday wisdom. And until next time, I'll see you soon.